Anapai and command me no bedi na hu hia me. Esa sagana ha ya wa how bebre. Ya wa how bebre Ghana ha. Anyone say abayin institutions asande o how for bia e ba be kan ho da bi. Ya wa how anapai ya sorry wobi kodwoma kotwa de wobi kwafo mu akodo wobi kwahwehwe adwuma ye wobi nso adwuma wote adwum sisi a woye adwuma enti mre ni ho sa please emre ni ho kra. Now let me just jump straight into my issue. 29th April 2019 and Beyi kofa Ghana card and I for the animu kofa Ghana card mo de buy. And she has said trade since 2019 up to date. We be training the 2019 no. Nsan kan card. We be training the we be register Ghana card no 2019 2022 money away Nsan kan card. Nsan kan card. No, sorry, I was chow quite sa. What chow, what dear Konyaba, card the croya, so, and I must see a phone register when you find some card registration. Frustrating the whole process. Already, a hundred so you're going to cry, and many ho. Not make a camera, one so, men found Koto Santene and Kodi card about Quechi. Adom. Adwuma ain't me the number 2 a day coffee some minya cost 50 a day e mu baye 35 if I Ghana card ho CJ Kabima ya why and just why Ghana hey your passport your driver's license ni nyina ya forms of identification your debut your passport, your driver's license. And then you kwada Ghana card you want someone America. And then you kwada Ghana card you want someone America. Because last week and about 2 weeks ago, if you say SIM card registration, you need a Ghana card in here. Mamini Dr. Hassan Ayarega, also issues pa Ghana card you ho. Ma eno na me kenkan ne right up bi awaye. Se Ghana card ne nko na nche bia ya baba ji atum card nso so atwintwan. Ewa he card no wa he card no na se e baba di djuma Ghana ha card no Dr. Hassan Ayarega card no wo say eno nko na the only form of identification no Doctor card no he.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Doc, you here. Ghana card is how frustrating and pay me cause I was frustrated.
Yeah, I will try. Take it easy. Take it easy. It shall be well.
Doc, what match say won so wadwen no emu do pa.
Yeah.
Hashtag reject Ghana card only. About your day, partner, what person Dr. Arega?
What him say? This country, we have various forms of identification issued by government themselves. We have passport, your Ghana card, your national health insurance card, your voters ID card, and all the cards that have been issued by government for transactions. Oh, if you look at my write-up, when you say I put a newspaper on the front line of a newspaper of daily that says that Bank of Ghana says by June nobody can use any other form of identification except Ghana card. Let me tell Bank of Ghana this, that they do not have the right to say that. It has to be backed by law. There should be a law excluding all form of identification to be used as transaction by the Bank of Ghana.
As we speak, Samrano anyhow and a Bank of Ghana
so they cannot be confused and say the things they want to do. They don't have that power. We are not living in a banana economy where Obed sorry now say, okay, from today onwards, only Ghana card intermediate transaction. No. And yes, I know Bank of Ghana is not a private property of somebody who can just sit there and decide the things he wants to do. So Bank of Ghana must get a law to back their claim by saying that apart from Ghana card, no any other form of identification will be allowed. And it has to be backed by law. Now, Ghana card ne Buhaha, me Hassan Erga. My registered February 2019. Till date, me Kasano, me name Ghana card. My call office from one office to another, almost my bread.
Within 2019.
2019.
Ghana card.
Ghana card.
We are in 2022. One sanka card.
Menibi. Hassan Erga. Menibi. So if only Ghana card, you cannot manage Ghana card. And then you are telling people that if by June they don't have their Ghana card, they cannot do transaction. Are you serious?
No, but okay, me too. Yentio.
Last time me called, that was 2 weeks ago. Me call me some. Okay, now never yet. Almost say being called police station. Now me call report to see me Ghana card a missing. Now they will issue me with a police report.
Ghana card no kasa won sank.
It's serious. Minko report to say my Ghana card is missing. So that they will issue me with a police report. And then I'll bring that police report for them to issue another Ghana card. I asked them whether they are sick in their head. You haven't given me a Ghana card. I haven't seen a Ghana card. So I should go to the police and lie and tell the police that my Ghana card is missing when I've never had one. And at the end of the year, so the police write to me a report so that I'll come and you issue the card. Where is my Ghana card? How did it get missing? I haven't seen it. How can I go and tell the police that it's missing? Where they are doing this Ghana card, you cry for Ghana. We are battling with COVID. Go and see the way the people are. We are still battling with COVID. We haven't finished the COVID matter. Go and see the way people are crowded.
Dr. Erga, we'll be sorry how much? No, 4 a.m. Now, I'm line
for Ghana card.
Ghana card. Oh, sorry. Productive hours. As we speak, I'm on phone here, Jumem. Okodi Ghana card.
The next day, machines are down. The data is not working. The network is not working. Every day. They are frustrating. Look, those working at the Ghana card themselves are frustrated. And they are also extending their frustration to the Ghanaian people. So everything is confused. Wow. So I don't know who brought the idea that Ghana card is so important than any other form of identification in this country. And I don't know. Will you people start to use biometric voters ID?
Dr. Arigamebo. Say, Professor Atefa. Oh, yes, Executive Secretary.
That man has no Kasa Nipa man wake home.
Why then?
Man way is a confused man. Or anybody know it. Or 5 sticker, billions of stickers, and went and wasted it, and he's telling us Ghana card. That man is serious.
Professor Atefa is serious.
President Akufo-Addo should have removed that man out of the system long time.
Really?
I'm telling you, that man is a confused man. He doesn't even know what he's doing. Common Ghana card, you can manage. What are you managing? Only Ghana card wants to be managed.
No, but I say over 15 million Ghanaians have been registered.
We have been talking about a national data system all this while. The APC and Hassan Erga are talking about, let's get a national data system that every person is captured. Ghanaian is captured. You don't need Ghana card. Once you get that, you get a proper ID card that will be used for everything. Because the system is there. Right now, they are forcing to put people into the system when the system is not there. They are creating a Ghana card system, which is not a proper database. When you say long time, we must say, oh, we are using biometric identification for voters' ID card, which can be used for all forms of transaction. Today, they've ignored that one. Never among Casa voters' ID card anymore. And I'm So, say, Ghana card, there must be a serious reason behind this Ghana card matter. And I want government to know.
No, but Dr. Ayariga, also still have frustration no, because say but one more sanka Ghana card. And what could here say? And so sim re-registration the confused cry more. One more Ghana card no crano, sim registration no, also so a different ball game altogether at the various offices of the telcos. I also see a different issue cry. And son, me and my register to say who are registered 2019 ya can say one sanka or card.
SIM registration cry. It is only in this country that people are forcing identification for SIM verification by using Ghana card.
Doc, humpo the SIM registration. Yeah, Ghana card no one sanka or card. We registered since 2019 one sanka or card.
The bank no more yeah. If you are going to deposit money with any other form of information, they will accept. If you are depositing money, national health insurance,
and so is Canada.
But who be Canada? Obviously, for Ghana card, at the end of the year. The Casano, nobody is against anyone, but we are against bad governance and systems. Only say they pass it here at this time. Some people are even asked to pay money. Right now, 250 Ghana cedis to get their Ghana card. Are you aware?
It's true.
Yes, are you aware?
I know. I'm aware.
So where is the money that
I'm aware,
or whatever he called himself, professor, what they call it, that he took billions of Ghana cedis to go and do Ghana card and said it was for free? Now she cannot quite. One she cannot do. She cannot.
Dr. Ayariga, yeah. Nyame aduma ukwada mesa so no wakasa biu. Na yatwa so Dr. Hassan Ayariga na mene no atwetwe nkomo no. Look. Professor Kenatefa so otia. Adwuma no a mampani di se ne nsa ewo NIA no. Enya grow. One said adwuma no akwa bibia ho nti se sia no amafo abonyinya se obia frustrated. Ghana card inti esen ko bi wadwuma by this time. Ghana card inti esen ko bi wadwuma by this time. Nipa over 15 million no a NIA for say you want to throw mudin no cards no wa he. Ewa he. Baby na card no am inkrabi. Na you say kwa report to a police station say card no ira na be man foforo. Card no am dey amame. 0302216561 0302216562. Share your frustrations with us. And then any ukwada radia. And then ukwada. Namutia 250. They say pay Jessica no krano. Ya Jessica 250 300. Say when you premium, where you dear priority said and krano so akwa. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Your first name is a friend.
But your phone idea, you could there for 3 days. You could only for 3 days. Because you are opening and can't I do. I hear from Mukway. Oh, I think it's a quick one.
Mukwada hot 3 days.
You say a Kagano for saying Karagano for one day. And then you will sit over there to Abra with Junaso Baba. You see, I'm going to move from you. I die in my service here. Or could be a car in your service. Hello, good morning. Sorry. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Your friend Senaka suffering. Mason. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Your friend Senaka suffering. Your friend saying. Party into you.
This is my media from 2019. 2019. Ever since my man, my sorry, my 3 o'clock, my court, and I thought, I'm so the finish. And then Ejuma or be a more citizen out in nearby. Name you what now? Cardinal. Into the Jamie.
Ojumabo. Ghana card in tea. Ojumabo. Part me that's it. Then your team in Sumu Krani Sabi, you know my Sabi, what did them. Sabi, you know my Sabi, what did them. I want to taste one Ghana card. I would have said, I don't know, but the video be sending me, not me seeing. Adom. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Your friend Senaka suffering.
My name is Ifya. I'm speaking from Tema.
If you ain't you.
My mother, sorry to speak English. My mother is 69 years. She went last year, that's 2021, to register in October. Up to today, she goes there and they tell her, just even to get the card is a problem. What is happening? The card is, they are saying it's ready, but they are saying they have to verify, they have to take it to the head office. Like, it doesn't even make sense. She goes there 69 years, she goes there early to sit there. She hasn't eaten the whole day. She sits there and sometimes she's dizzy. We have to go there. Like, it's too stressful. Like, what is all this?
May I say, thanks for calling. Thanks for calling. Jacob Boche, or CJ, Ghana card no a man no. Woman try me dini ye, or me a mistake, almost spare me dino, one we am from so. Enti masan so the card no ko say, mon quality me dini mame. One say there be any correction na ye. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
About your friend Senaka suffering.
Adom for Africa over Dwaso.
Your friend saying.
The family.
Yentiu. Ma wona so mame mpacho kasadin.
Mpacho, I want to know the importance of it that they can't do it in every branch as they used to write their name when they want to do the voters ID card. Only last pack, you come from Pom, Atua, every consistency. If you see there on the path, there's no even space. 1 week on the path, you won't get your card. What is it important about it? If they know that they will collect money, they should open the door for everyone. The one who can pay.
So you will pay and you take your card? You pay and you take your card. It's as simple as that.
If they want to vote now, they'll come house to house, begging people to go and write their name. But the one that, because much now you can't speak to anyone because of the card.
Thanks for calling. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, CJ.
Your first and I friend.
But your friend Kojo Crunch, my friend Fee Ashalaja.
Kojo into we am last caller.
Yo, me that's it. CJ me free chebi, ehwana me free, te ehwana me me card. By me te Ashalaja ha. 2019 na me ya ade no. Me di card na chi sa mo ya mo se my. Be 5 months ya no mo se card na ba me call ya. I just want verify on sansa. And say the card na ba me ye bia en fa. Ti almost a problem or card no anya me fingerprinting na a problem. Ti almost the card na ba club be ho adwuma na ma ba beje. Me di a transportation ma foka na me frɛ ma me number ta me frɛ. Me frɛ mo so bra me ko di 3 days. Me ti be nya adwuma. CJ. Anya me adwuma na me ya anka nya kra. Ne lorry fare a me tua up to now me sanka card. E dey say me to me register me chip no. Me wo ho ana se twa me card mu
me bawo me dey see but abantie no ntie ne ye say no crazy over 15 million Ghanaians and you register well and no crazy saka wo de but with the same registration no won't not until the last person out of 15 million no ne saka the card mon for deadline into so debi deadline when you free okra. In fact, overgo 2023 ending. No one June, July ending near the no more no. No, Anyajuma. Because me Ghana card no and no na me de kwa re-registration no a one more can once me. And to card no he. Ghana card no a me de kwa re-registration no and no Ghana card na me try me din 2019 in Sankai and to Ghana card no he. Me fancy ya. Me fancy ya. If I said I'm a go to the enterprise, but my number no.